Guys, artificial intelligence is here with us and we cannot afford to ignore it. And as it continues to expand, we expect better and more advanced tools to emerge. One of these tools which have been so famous recently is ChatGPT. I know you've heard about ChatGPT and it has been so famous, but guys, do you know you can use ChatGPT to make money online today? In this video, I'll be breaking down a few ways on how you can use ChatGPT to make money online today at the comfort of your house. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Kindly hit that like button. First thing first, let's define what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a conversational AI software developed by OpenAI. The terms ChatGPT, GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and currently as I am recording this, we have the model 4, which is ChatGPT 4, which is a paid version, a pro version of it, and it's called ChatGPT 4 Plus. However, you do not have to pay for that one because you already have a free one. I personally use the free one and it's super helpful, especially if you're a beginner. ChatGPT OpenAI, the free version is enough. Before I go any further, let me show you how to use ChatGPT OpenAI.
Using ChatGPT is pretty easy. You just go on your browser and you type in chatopenai.com and it's going to direct you onto this page. In case you've created an account, in case you do not have an account, it's going to direct you on a page where you're going to create your account using your email or your phone number, and it's going to bring you here after you create an account. Now this is where you do the magic. This pop-up here is where you type in any question you may have and it's going to give you the answers immediately. For example, you can type how to make money on TikTok and it's going to break it down for you very easy and give you very strong points. So you can type this anything here and it's going to give you an answer. You can also as well type how to grow your Instagram account and it's going to give you the answers right away, and it's going to give you very strong point and very practical point. So that's how you use ChatGPT OpenAI. And
the first method of making money using ChatGPT is content creation, guys. The ChatGPT allows you to create high quality content for websites, blogs, and even social media. With a personal blog, you can be able to create tons and tons of articles and blogs using ChatGPT, and it's very quick and very instant. And after you create those content, you can be able to monetize them using the AdSense, and also you can be able to monetize them by affiliate marketing, guys. Affiliate marketing has become so easy after the emergence of the AI, because creating those articles and blog, it's so easy. You just go to the OpenAI or the ChatGPT, type in the question and give it the command, and it will be able to create very high quality content for your website, for your blog, and if you use it for affiliate marketing, well and good. Also, you can be able to generate product description and social media content using ChatGPT, and this is super helpful, especially for social media managers and VAs. And guys, if you've been watching me for quite some time, you already know I do social media management jobs on and off. And guys, since the emergence of the ChatGPT, social media management has become so easy, guys. And even for beginners or for anyone who want to start off in social media management, ChatGPT is super helpful, and it can help you to get jobs done very easily, unlike when there was no ChatGPT. Another great way you can be able to make money online using ChatGPT is in marketing. One of the hardest things for business owners is coming up with a strategy, and especially now with the era of social media and everything being online, coming up with a strategy is hard. However, ChatGPT makes it very easy for you. You just have to go on the ChatGPT site and key in your details and give it command, and it's going to generate a very good strategy for your business. There are people who hire professionals out there to create a strategy for them. You can be that one person who is hired to create strategies for businesses, and you just go on to the ChatGPT with that information and key in and give it command. It's going to generate a very good strategy for you.
You can still use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas according to your industry. For example, if your business is a service business, the ChatGPT is able to help create very good marketing ideas regarding to the services that you offer. If it's a product business, the ChatGPT will also help you be able to come up with marketing ideas according to what you sell, and it's going to help even be able to target correctly.
Another way of making money via ChatGPT is via copywriting. If you're a copywriter or you would want to venture into copywriting, ChatGPT creates very persuasive ads copies for marketing, for ads campaigns, or even for landing pages. As a copywriter, you just have to key in the commands on the ChatGPT and it's going to generate the information for you. The only thing you have to do as the copywriter now is to make it tailored for your audience, or just edit and make it unique for your audience, because again, as a copywriter, you must know whom you're talking to and you must be able to communicate to them directly. So after it generates, it's your work to just go in, edit and tailor it for your audience. Another method of making money via ChatGPT, and this is one of my favorite, is education and tutoring. ChatGPT can easily and within seconds generate an ebook for you,
or very detailed notes that we use to tutor. So you can generate an ebook and sell it, or you can generate notes and use them to tutor.
And this is one of the easiest way of making money via ChatGPT, because once you generate that ebook or once you generate that outline, you can have it forever and you can sell it wherever you want or wherever you have a client. And guys, I have an ebook which I sell, but I didn't generate it via the ChatGPT. I had it from way back, but right now it's so easy for even those people who are starting out to create an ebook and sell it to their audience, because for you to send an audience, you for sure requires an audience. If you're starting out, for example, to create content and you want to have an ebook, ChatGPT can help create that within an hour or less. My final method of making money via ChatGPT is creating scripts for TikTok and YouTube, guys. To become a content creator, you do not just wake up and start making money. You must have a strategy and you must have a starting point. Some people even have the idea of starting out creating content about something, but they do not know where to start. You can use ChatGPT, key in the command and tell them to give you ideas on that favorite thing that you know or that you're most interested in, because now you must have something to create content about. ChatGPT is going to give you ideas, and after it gives you idea, it's going to generate a script for you. It will be easy for you to just go on, create videos and monetize them, maybe using YouTube or TikTok. I personally use ChatGPT when creating ideas for my videos on YouTube and also on TikTok, but I do not rely it on 100% sure, but I can say for sure 30% of my ideas and points I use ChatGPT to generate, guys. That is it for today. In case you have a question, the comment section is open for everyone, guys. In case you have an extra way that you can use to make money via ChatGPT, type it on the comment section, guys. Don't be mean. If you have a very practical way that you can use to generate a few income or a few dollars here and there using ChatGPT, type it down on the comment section. Otherwise, guys, see you in my next video. Bye.